Hi children, good morning all of you. So today we are going to see about in types of chemical reaction in new chapter unit number 10. Okay children, so the types of chemical reaction. So what is chemical reaction? So in the chemical reaction is the transformation of chemical substance into another chemical substance. For example, this is one of the simple chemical reaction is 2H2 plus O2 to give 2H2O. So what is the 2H2O formula? Yes, the water formula is 2H2O. Yes. So in the one atom is hydrogen and another atom is oxygen. So to give the product is H2O is water molecule. So atoms. Okay. So the transformation of one chemical substance into another chemical substance is called chemical reactions. Okay children, so for example in the rusting of iron, so iron is converted into the rust form. So next one, in the setting of milk into curd. So this is the example of chemical reactions. Then in your introduction part, all of you take your book and take page number 137. Okay. So in the introduction part of types of chemical reaction, some chemical changes involved in the food and plant and ion. So one of the question, how the food we eat becomes energy and how plants photosynthesis and why does iron rust on its exposed to atmosphere of air and water. So first one in the digestive system. So in the digestive system is there are two types of digestive system. One is physical and another one is chemical system. So in the chemical change of digestive system, so in this process the food is broken into the smaller molecule. So we are eat the food is broken in the smaller molecule in your mouth. Okay, so the salivary glands is present in our mouth help in the breakdown of the food. So in the chemical digestion is breakdown of the food is different, such as proteins and carbohydrate and fat. For example, the fat is breakdown into fatty acid and monoglycerides, and nucleic acid is breakdown into nucleides. So in the topic, the protein, carbohydrate, fat and monoglycerides and nucleides. So this topic is studied in the higher classes, and now we are going to study about simple topic is types of chemical reactions. Okay, so types of chemical reaction. So first thing, what happens during a chemical reactions? Okay, what happens during a chemical reaction? So in a chemical reaction, only the atoms present in the reactant. Okay, for example, in the reaction, so all of you see the reaction. So one is reactant and another one is product. So in the reactant is present in the atoms. Okay, reactant is present in the atom. So the only the atoms present in the reactant and can end up in the product. So in the left hand side the presence of atom is reactant, and then the right hand side in the compound is called product. Okay, this is the reactant and product. So in the atom, okay, the atom of hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, hydrogen and oxygen, and then product is H2O. This is the reaction. So in this reaction is no new atom are created. So all of you see only hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, in the reactant's place is hydrogen and oxygen, and the product's place is hydrogen and oxygen. So in this reaction is no new atoms are created and no atoms are destroyed. So only the hydrogen oxygen is the reactor and the same product atom is hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the chemical reaction. So in a chemical reaction, is reactant is contact each other. The bond between the atom of reactant break down and the atom is rearranged and the form of new bond to make the product. So in the height 2 is the hydrogen atom, two hydrogen atom. So in the 2 into 2, so total hydrogen atom is 4 hydrogen atom. So in the reactant, in the left hand side, 4 hydrogen atoms are present, then 2 oxygen atoms are present. So in the hydrogen bonded and then oxygen bonded, so in the bond formation of to create the product is H2O water molecule. Okay, water molecule. So this is the chemical reaction, the reactant to give product. Okay, reactant to give product. Then the next topic is the next topic is how are the chemical reaction represented. For example, this is the another one of the reaction is methane is react with oxygen to becomes carbon dioxide and water. So methane. So in the some information of methane, so methane is a colorless gas and odorless gas. So in the colorless and odorless gas is composed of one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. So methane formula is CH4. Okay, methane formula is CH4. So one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. So it is the effect of greenhouse has effect. So in the methane is used as a fuel to make heat and light. Then it is another one of the uses rocket fuel. Okay, this is the methane. So in this reaction is methane is react with oxygen to give the product is carbon dioxide and water. So in the formula CH4 plus O2. Okay, this is the formula CH4 plus O2. Then the product is CO2, carbon dioxide and water. So in this reaction, so in the right hand side is the reactant and then left hand side is the reactant, right hand side is the product. Yes. So in the left hand side only the atoms are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. At the same atom of in the product in the right hand side carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. So in this reaction no atom is created and no atom is destroyed. So this is the reaction. Then the balancing equation. So all of you see in this reaction, so total number of carbon atom in the left hand side. Okay, in the left hand side the total number of carbon atom is 1, total number of hydrogen atom is 4 and total number of oxygen atom is 2. Okay, then in the right hand side the product the total number of carbon atom 1, oxygen atom is 3 oxygen atom. So 2 is presence of carbon dioxide, 1 is presence of water. So 3 oxygen atoms are present. Then how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogens are present. So in this reaction is not the equal. It not the equal to atom. It is the incomplete the chemical equation. Okay, it is the incomplete the chemical equation. So the balancing the equation. Okay, balancing the equation. So in this reaction, so CH4 is the methane formula. Then first oxygen balanced. So in the oxygen is carbon dioxide is 2 oxygen and another one of the oxygen presence of water molecule. So water molecule is presence of 1 oxygen. So you put the value of the oxygen number 2. Okay, oxygen number 2. So in the left hand side total number of oxygen is 4 oxygen. Yes, 4 oxygen. So 2 into 2 is 4 oxygen. So you see the right hand side the 2 is common. Okay, the 2 is common. So 2 into 2 is 4 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. So that equation is balanced. So the equation is balanced. Next, you see the physical state. So all the classes I say in the physical state. So what is the physical state? Is the liquid, gas and solid. Okay, gas, solid, liquid and gas. This is the physical state. So methane is one of the gaseous molecule. Okay, methane is one of the gaseous molecule. So the simple is G. Okay, simple is G. So next one, oxygen. Oxygen is gas molecule, so the simple is G. Then carbon dioxide is a gas molecule, the simple is G. Then water molecule. So water is a evaporated. Water is a liquid and then the water is evaporated form. So the water is a gas simple. So this is the methane reaction. Okay, this is the methane reaction. So in the next one, the types of chemical reaction. So in the types of chemical reaction is, so in the first type is combination or synthesis reaction, and second type is decomposition reaction, third type is single displacement replacement reaction, and fourth type is double replacement reaction, and fifth type is combustion reaction. So there are 5 types of reactions in the types of chemical reaction. So first see the chemical reaction. Okay, first of all see the chemical reaction. So in the combination reaction is the two or more reactant. Okay, two or more reactant is combined to form a compound. Okay, so A is one atom and B is another atom. So in the A B atom is combined to give the product is AB compound. Okay, AB compound. So this is the combination reaction. So for example, in hydrogen, okay, hydrogen is one of gaseous atom and chlorine is one of the gaseous atom. To give the product is hydrogen chloride. Okay, hydrogen chloride. So in the combination reaction is there are 3 types of reaction. Is the combination reaction is further classified into 3 types. So one is element plus element gives compound. Then another one is compound plus element gives compound. Then third one is compound plus compound gives compound. So first, so all of you study the what is element and what is compound. Okay, so what is element? An element is a pure substance consisting only the atom. Okay, the substance is consisting only the atom, so that all have the same number of proton in their atomic nuclei. So this is the element. Then compound. So a compound is a substance formed when two or more chemical elements, okay, two or more chemical elements is the are chemically bonded together. For the compound example is H2O, water. So hydrogen and oxygen is combined. So two elements are present. Then sodium chloride in the salt. So in the sodium chloride, two elements is present in the compound. So this is the compound. So next, the element plus element gives compound reaction. So in this reaction, for example, is the sulfur. Okay, sulfur is react with the oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. So in the first reaction is sulfur is react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. So sulfur is a solid state. Sulfur is a solid state and then oxygen is a gaseous state. So the sulfur is solid but the sulfur is non-metal. Okay, sulfur is non-metal. So the given product is sulfur dioxide. So in the first example is sulfur is react with oxygen to becomes the product is sulfur dioxide. So in the next one reaction, sodium chloride reaction. So in the sodium is a metal. Yes, sodium is a metal solid state. Then chlorine is a non-metal gaseous state. Okay, so one atom is solid and another atom is gas. So it is combined together to become a product is sodium chloride in the table salt. Okay, So in the sodium is a silvery white metal and chlorine is a pale yellow green gaseous atom. So in the solid and gaseous atom is combined to the product is sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride. So this is the element plus element compound reaction. So some examples of metal and non-metal. Okay, some examples of metal and non-metal. So the metals like sodium, potassium, cesium, calcium and magnesium. Okay, sodium Na, potassium K, Cs is strontium and Ca calcium, Mg magnesium and non-metal. So non-metals fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So F is fluorine, Cl is chlorine, Br is bromine, I is iodine. So in the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine is the halogens group of 17th group in our periodic table. Okay, halogens group of 17th group in the periodic table elements. Okay, so this is the combination reaction of element plus element gives compound reaction. Then the next reaction is compound plus element to give the product is compound reaction. So in the example is PCl3. So the PCl3 is the name is phosphorus trichloride. So phosphorus P, tri means 3, then chloride. Okay. So in the phosphorus trichloride is react with chlorine to give the product is phosphorus pentachloride. Penta means 5. Okay, penta means 5. So total number of chlorine atom is 5 chlorine atom. So in the reaction is phosphorus trichloride is react with the chlorine to become the product is phosphorus pentachloride. Okay. So in the next one is compound plus compound gives product is compound reaction. So in this reaction is the example is silicon dioxide. Okay, silicon dioxide is react with calcium dioxide. Okay, so the reactant is silicon dioxide. Reactant means in the left hand side. Yes. So in the silicon dioxide and then calcium oxide. So in this reaction to create a new compound. Okay, to create a new compound. So in the silicon dioxide is react with the calcium oxide to give the product is calcium silicate. Okay, calcium silicate CaSiO3 calcium silicate. Okay, silicon is S, calcium is Ca and O is oxygen. So in the same reactant in the presence of silicon, calcium and oxygen. So in the same elements is present in the compound calcium, silicon and oxygen, but the compound is change into new compound. Yes. So in this reaction is silicon dioxide is react with the calcium calcium oxide to give the product is calcium silicate. Okay, this is the compound plus compound reaction. So in the combination reaction is A and B is one of the atom is combined to give the product is AB. So in the basic of three further classified into three types. One is element plus element gives compound, then compound plus element gives compound, then compound plus compound gives compound. Then the next reaction is decomposition reaction. Okay, next reaction is decomposition reaction. So in this reaction, one compound is decomposed. One compound is decomposed. So in the AB is one of the compound. The AB is decomposed to converted into A and B is separator. Okay, A and B is separator. So in this reaction is further classified into three types. So the type is thermal decomposition reaction and electrolytic decomposition reaction and photo decomposition reaction. So there are three classifieds of decomposition reactions. Okay. So first, the decomposition reaction. So in a reaction in which a compound is break down into two or more simpler substance. Okay, so this is called the decomposition reaction. So in the most of the decomposition reaction requires an input of energy. Okay, input of energy in the in the form of heat and light or electricity. Okay, heat and light are called electricity. So this is the decomposition reaction. So AB is one of the compound. Okay, AB is one of the compound. It is decomposed to A and B. Okay, the AB is breakdown. So in the A and B is separated the atom. So the decomposition reaction. So in the next one, the types of decomposition reaction. First one is the thermal decomposition reaction. The reactions of mercury oxide. Okay, mercury is the mercury symbol is Hg. So mercury oxide, mercury 2 oxide is decomposed into mercury and oxygen. Okay, mercury and oxygen. So this is one of the reaction. Then the next example is calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate. So in the calcium carbonate is heated. Calcium carbonate is heated, then it is break down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So in the calcium carbonate is decomposed to give the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So in the many metal carbonators can take part in the thermal decomposition reaction. Okay, so in many metal carbonators can take part in the thermal decomposition reactions. So in the next reaction is, so in the thermal decomposition reaction is otherwise called endothermic reactions. Endothermic reactions. Then the electrolytic decomposition reaction. So in the electrolytic decomposition reaction is the process in which the electric current is passed through the substance to effect a chemical changes. Okay, so the current is passed. Okay, the electric current is passed through the substance to effect a chemical changes is called the electrolytic decomposition reaction. So in the examples, okay, in the example is sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is a compound. Yes, sodium chloride is a compound. So give the electricity. Okay, pass the electricity, and sodium chloride is decomposed. Sodium chloride is decomposed. Is the separated atom of sodium and chlorine, element and element. So it is the sodium chloride is compound. Okay, sodium chloride is compound. So pass the electricity. So the sodium chloride is decomposed to separate the atom and atom. Okay, atom and atom. So in the third reaction is photo decomposition reaction. Okay, third reaction is photo decomposition reaction. So in this reaction, the chemical reaction in which the chemical compound is break down by photons. Okay, in the reactions of sunlight, the photons. Okay, so in a chemical reaction in which a chemical compound is broken down by photons. So for example, when a silver chloride, okay, in a silver chloride, so are you see the silver? Yes. So in the silver chloride crystal, we are white in color. Okay, white in color are kept under the sunlight. They turn into gray color. Gray color. So as a loss of chlorine gases. So this is the photo decomposition reaction. This is called photolysis. So in the another one example is AgBr, silver bromide. Okay, silver bromide. So silver is Ag, Br is bromide. So in the silver bromide, the color is light yellow color. Okay, silver bromide, the color is light yellow color in the presence of sunlight. Okay, in the presence of sunlight. So in the silver bromide uh, are kept under the sunlight. So the silver bromide is decomposed. One is silver and another one is bromide. So the silver metal is change in color. Okay, silver metal is change in color. So the color is gray color. Okay, that color is gray color. So in the silver bromide is decomposed to silver element or silver atom. So the light yellow color is changed into gray color. So this is the decomposition reaction. Then the next one is single displacement reactions. Okay, and the next one is single displacement reaction. So in this reaction, so all of you see, one is element. So in the A is element and B, C is compound. Okay, this is the element and compound reaction. So A is element and B, C is compound. To give the product is AC. Okay, B, C. The C is converted into the C is replaced. Okay, the C is replaced into A. Okay, so A is element in the reactant space, then the product space is AC is the compound, B is the element. So the C only replaced. Okay, the C only replaced. So this is the single displacement reaction. This is the single displacement reaction. So in this reaction, example is zinc. Okay, zinc is react with hydrogen chloride, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so the zinc is A, one element, and hydrogen chloride B and C. This is another compound. So in the element is zinc, the compound is hydrogen chloride. Is react with the given product is the chlorine is replaced. So the chlorine is C. So the chlorine is replaced to A. So the zinc chloride, the formation of product is zinc chloride and B is separated element, B is hydrogen. Okay, so the zinc is element, hydrogen chloride is compound. To give the product is zinc chloride. The chlorine is replaced. Zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Then the next one, ion. Okay, ion is react with copper sulfate. Copper sulfate formula is CuSO4. Then the sulfate is replaced to ion. So the given product is iron sulfate plus copper. Okay, iron sulfate plus copper. So in this reaction, so one of the iron rod, okay, one of the iron rod, this iron rod is dipped into copper sulfate solution. So in the copper sulfate solution is blue color. Okay, copper sulfate solution is blue color. So the iron is the copper sulfate solution is dipped into iron rod. So in the iron is rust form and then copper sulfate solution is change the color. So in the fresh copper sulfate solution is blue color, then the ion react with the copper sulfate solution is green color. Okay, this is the ion sulfate reaction. Okay, so the ion is react with the copper sulfate to give the form of ion sulfate and copper. So in the next one reaction, sodium chloride. So in the sodium chloride, in the same element, same compound, and then the different reactions. So in the sodium chloride is react with the fluorine to give the product is sodium fluoride. Then the element is chlorine. Then the next reaction, sodium fluoride is react with chlorine to give the product is sodium chloride and fluorine. This is the reactions. So two reactions. So which one is the most reactive element? Okay, fluorine and chlorine. So fluorine and chlorine, which one is the most reactive elements? So in the first reaction, NaCl in the aqueous medium. Aqueous, AQ. So the aqueous means in the presence of water. Okay, aqueous means in the presence of water. So in the sodium chloride is react with the fluorine to form sodium fluoride and chlorine. Then the next reaction is sodium fluoride is react with the chlorine to give sodium chloride and fluorine element. So in the fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. Okay, fluorine is more reactive than chlorine. So in the another topic is the most reactive and then least reactive. So in the most reactive elements, okay, in the most reactive elements is potassium, sodium, lithium, calcium, magnesium and aluminium, zinc. So these are the elements are most reactive, and the least reactive is silver, mm, copper, silver, gold and platinum. So in this reaction is the least reactive. Okay, this reaction is the least reactive element. So today we are going to study about in the types of chemical reaction. Yes, so the types of chemical reaction and the methane reaction and then combination reaction. So the combination reaction is further classified into three types, and decomposition reaction is further classified into three types, and then single displacement reaction. Yes, so now your homework. Okay, your homework. So all of you write the assignment. Okay, all of you write the assignment. So the assignment heading is combination reaction. Okay, the assignment heading is combination reaction and the types of combination reaction. Okay, so first you write the combination reaction and then combination reaction types, and then explain the one by one types. Okay, explain the one by one types. And then one more topic is the photo. Okay, photo decomposition reaction. Okay, photo decomposition reaction. So this is your assignment. Okay, this is your assignment. So all of you study. Okay children, thank you.